Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the calculation of simple arithmetic mean in discrete series, which is also known as frequency array. There are three methods that can be used to calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series. First is direct method, second is shortcut method, and third is step deviation method. All these methods can be used to calculate arithmetic mean in case of discrete or frequency array. We are going to do these method one by one. So first of all we will do the direct method. Under the direct method, x bar, that is mean, is calculated by this formula where sigma fx is divided by sigma f. In this formula, x bar is the arithmetic mean which we have to calculate. Sigma fx is the total of all items multiplied with frequencies, means x are the items which are given and frequencies means number of items given to us. We will multiply both of them and then do their total. Then we will get sigma fx, total of all items multiplied with their corresponding frequencies. And sigma f is n, that is total number of frequency, that is the total number of items given in the series. Clear? The steps we are going to follow: firstly we will calculate multiplication of x and f, means we have to multiply the corresponding frequency with the corresponding item in this way. Then we will calculate sigma fx by adding up all the multiplies of step 1. Whatever we have here multiplications, we add all of them and get sigma fx. Then we'll find out the sum of frequencies, that is sigma f. We're gonna total all the frequencies together and find out sigma f, and then we divide sigma fx by sigma f to find out our x bar, means we have to put the values into the formula here. Here is an example given to us. Following is the weekly wage earning of 19 workers. Here we have been given the weekly earnings of 19 workers. Here wages are given and here number of workers. This type of series is known as discrete series, where items are given and their corresponding frequencies are also given. So 10 wages are earned by 4 workers, 20 wages are earned by 5 workers, 30 rupees earned by 3 workers, 40 rupees earned by 2 workers, and 50 rupees earned by 5 workers. Clear? The total of these frequencies is 19. Here it is given over above that it is the earnings of 19 workers. These are the number of workers, so total of frequency will be 19. Okay, we have to calculate arithmetic mean using direct formula. Here is the calculation. First of all we have written the wages, that is x, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then we are writing the frequencies 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. The total of frequencies, that is sigma f, is 19. Then in the third column we will multiply frequency with the items. Here we will multiply frequencies with the items. Here item is 10, frequency is 4, so 10 into 4 it's become 40. Similarly 20 into 5 becomes 100, 30 into 3 becomes 90, 40 into 2 becomes 80, and 50 into 5 becomes 250. Then we're going to add them. It is sigma fx, that is. Now we are going to put up these values into our formula. Here we are having sigma fx, here we are having sigma f. Then x bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f, that is 560 over 19. We have 29.47. So the mean wage earnings of 19 worker, or the average, we have to find out arithmetic mean, that is rupees 29.47. This is our answer. So in this way we will calculate arithmetic mean using direct method.